Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to download the Gas app, and it's going to be allowing you to get unlimited like hints, literally just like the modded menu. And yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download that. It's super simple and super easy. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to download this app, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the app that I'm going to be showing you how to download today is called Gas and I'm going to be showing you how to get the like mod menu with unlimited hints and like a bunch of cool things that you can get. As you can see, this is the mod menu. I'm going to go click on the use in any location. As you can see, the use in any location thing has turned on. And then when I click on the unlimited hints, there it is. But yeah, it's super simple, super easy. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that today and download it. But before we do that, we're going to have to make a few setting changes in our settings app just to make sure that our phone and the app are compatible and that it could download successfully. So the first thing we're going to do is go into our settings app. And the first thing we're going to do in our settings is go to battery. And when you're in battery, you're going to want to make sure that you're off of your low power mode. It's going to come up with that low power mode option. You're going to want to make sure that that's off, because when it's on, it's not really like it's preserving your battery. So it's not really working as hard just because it's like preserving your battery. So you're going to want to make sure that that is off. And once you've checked that out, you're going to go back into your settings and you're going to go to general. And in general, you're going to do two things. So the first thing you're going to do is go and click the About tab. And it's going to have the software version as the second little row thingy. And you're going to want to make sure that your phone is updated to at least iOS 10. As you can see, we're on 15.4.1, so that means we're good to go and that we can download it. And it's compatible for our phone, so you're just going to make sure that that is updated to at least iOS 10. And once you're done with that, you're going to go back into general, and then we're going to scroll down to background app refresh right down here. As you can see, there's that background app refresh again. You're going to click that. There's going to be three options of off, Wi-Fi, and cellular data. You're going to want to be on the Wi-Fi and cellular data option because I really just don't know, but my phone was already on the Wi-Fi and cellular data option, so I didn't really have to do much. So you're just going to want to make sure that that is on that third option. Nothing too crazy because like my phone is already on that, and like I said, like it's probably going to be the same for you. But yeah, go ahead and make sure that it's on the third option. And once you're done with that, we're going to go back into our general like option area, and you're going to want to make sure that you stay in this general option because we're going to do something with this later. But the next thing we're going to do is go to your favorite web browser. You can use Safari. I like using Chrome. And in Chrome, you're going to type in the website called appbuild.vip, appbuild.vip. And as you can see, it takes you to the super cool website that has a bunch of your favorite apps that are hacked, and you can get a bunch of cool things that are like completely free. You don't have to pay for anything. So we're going to type in that Gas app. As you can see, there it is. And you're going to click that blue install button right there. You're going to want to wait for that to download. Only takes about like 30 seconds, nothing too crazy, so we're just going to wait for that. Ooh. All right, we're just about finishing up. And then this pop-up is going to come up. It's going to say configuration profile available. You're going to click continue. And then it's going to say this other pop-up again. You're just going to click allow. And then basically what this is telling us is that it's waiting for us to finish downloading it. All we need to do is go into our settings app to further install it. So we're going to click close and close out of it and go back into our settings to go ahead and do that. Like I said, we're going to stay in that general option. So instead of being at the top like we were in before, we're going to be down at the bottom at VPN and device management. And there you go. There's that Gas installer. And then it's going to say install profile at the top. You're going to click install in the top right corner. It's going to ask you to type in your passcode. Sorry, I can't see. And then it's going to say consent. You're going to click next. It's going to say warning. Don't worry, nothing's going to happen. Just click install. And then install down at the bottom. install it, or not install. And then it's going to say just click the done button, and then as you close out, oh, sorry, turn that off. There you go. There is that Gas Plus Plus app. I really hope this helped you guys out and was easy to follow along with. And yeah, I really hope this was easy. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.